Hi, this is Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com, serving Greater Philadelphia, criminal and personal injury law. I'd like to talk to you about criminal law today, and I'd like to talk to you about early termination of probation. Let's say the judge gives you 3 or 4 years of probation, maybe even more, and you've been doing really well on your probation. At what point can you decide that you'd like to ask the judge to terminate your probation? Well, here's the rule of thumb. If you have a probation of anywhere between 3 and 5 years or more, you need to serve at least 2. If you have 3, I would suggest that at about 1.5 years that you talk to your probation officer, see if they're going to object if you ask for termination of probation. Sometimes a judge would be very amenable, especially if you're doing really good things for yourself, if you've got a steady job, if everything is going well. You could ask the judge to terminate your probation. This, of course, has to be done with a motion. You're going to need a lawyer who come in and argue on your behalf. But it's worth paying a lawyer some money to get rid of probation, because while you're on probation, of course, you can't travel out of the country. You supposedly have to notify your probation officer every time you leave the county. Of course, if you get stopped for any reason whatsoever or arrested, you could be in violation of your probation. If you have any use of drugs or anything that would be out of the ordinary, could be a violation of your probation. So I'm all for early termination petitions. A client came to me today and said, well, I've done 1 year, I've got 7 years of probation, can I ask for an early termination probation? I told him it's just a little too early. In that case, I suggested that he wait till year 2 to come in and then say, Judge, it's been 2 years, I know it's 7, but I'm a phenomenal person, and can you please let me out? And who knows? You never know. A judge may go for that. So thank you. That's just a little perspective. And if you'd like some more information about that, you can call me, 215-557-7111. I practice law in Greater Philadelphia and Pennsylvania in general, and I can help you. I can help you with an early parole petition. I can help you answer many, many questions about anything to do with criminal law or personal injury law. This is Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com. Thanks for listening.